In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cactus in Infinite Craft. Now to get started, go ahead and open Infinite Craft on your browser or your mobile device if you have the app on your device. Now once you have opened the app, go ahead and start with dragging earth on your canvas and wind. Combine these two elements to create dust. Now after that, go ahead and add another dust to create a sand. Now go ahead and add earth to your sand to be able to create a desert. So go ahead and drag the earth to your canvas and combine it with sand. After that, go ahead and drag the earth element to your canvas, and after you drag that, go ahead and drag water. Combine it to create a plant, and combine the plant with your desert to create a cactus. And that is how you can simply make a cactus on Infinite Craft. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like, and we'll see you in the next video.